Hi everyone, in this course we are going to build 5 applications, that is calculator, currency converter, notepad, music player and image editor. Calculator, let's see. Enter first number 42, second number as 10, let's add it, result is 52, let's subtract it, result is 32, multiply, divide. This is the calculator application. Next, currency converter. Let's run it. We have to give value of $1, that is 75. We can select rupees or euros or dinar. Let's give the number which we want to convert. Let's convert $100 into rupees. Convert $100 is 7,500 rupees. Next, notepad. We can create a text file. We can open already created text file. We can do cut, copy, paste. This is the application we are going to build. Next, music player. We can load the music files. We can play the next song, previous song and stop it. Next one is image editor. For this we are going to use a page application to develop graphical user interface. Then we are going to add functionality. Let's see how it works. First we will load an image. Let's add an image. We can do several operations. In this application we are going to add only two functionalities, that is blur and sharpen it.